for a long time I've been thinking of experimenting this thing. It's I wanted to try, you know, the oiling on the deck. I have never done oiling on the deck, but this time I'm gonna try do it on this area here, and I'll see what it's gonna be like, because the boat right next door, I've spoken to one of their crew. They actually oil their deck, but a lot of other boats that I ask, they vary on opinions. So I don't know if it's worth it or not, but this time I think I'm gonna do it myself. So as you can see, this area here, there's front part of the stack, which is just a small piece, probably 2 meter by 2 meter area. I'm gonna monitor it properly, like see how long it will last and what type of maintenance do we have to do, and I'm gonna keep track on it, and then if it's worth it, maybe we can do the whole boat. But we will see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand it. I have this sanding machine here with the vacuum system, and then because it's a little bit weathered now, the deck, so I'm gonna have to sand it with the 60 grit first, and then just to knock off most of it, and then from 60 I'm gonna go to 80, and then probably finish it off with 180 or 150 grit sandpaper. This is what it looks like, guys. This is not sanded, so this is what just started. Was about maybe a little more deeper, so we can get rid of all the gray part of the wood. It's gonna look nice because it's gonna be sealed with oil, so we will see. And then I did a little bit of repair here on the lid. We're almost done with the sanding, guys. One thing, if you are actually sanding a deck for a first time, the best thing to do is if the deck is actually pretty weathered, and then the rubber is actually pretty high up, get the rubber first by using whatever blades or a chisel, because it's quite tough to sand the rubber. It takes you a long time to actually sand the rubber. Is very tough. So I'll show you what I do here. You see, this is very sharp chisel. What you do is you just get rid of as much as possible the rubber. Make yourself comfortable and stable, and then just get rid of the proud Sikaplex, you know, and then it's a lot quicker and easier to sand. When you're doing this type of job, guys, you have to be very careful with your chisel that you actually don't dig it into the side of the thick deck and put a big gouge on your thick deck, because it's gonna be hard to sand it down when it's too deep, you know. So very, very careful, be very patient, because you don't want to be in trouble with your boss or your captain, you know. So just, you know, it's pretty easy. It's not that hard, man. You just have to have a very sharp chisel, man. See, like that, beautiful, you know. All right. So Ariel here is finishing the edges that the machine cannot reach. Almost done, man. All right, we finally finally done sanding. It's looking really nice now. Beautiful. It's always nice, you know, freshly sanded thick. I love it. And yeah, we're gonna start putting the oil. But before you start putting the oil, it's a good idea to put some protection on your deck, that you don't wanna spill the oil, because oil is very hard to take off when it's absorbed into the deck. So just make sure you put good enough protection, you know, because you cannot avoid spill no matter what. This is the first time I actually oil a deck. We've done a lot of oiling on our furniture, so this should just pretty straightforward. It's I usually put 3 coats on our furniture. There's our furniture there, lots of chairs that we actually oil, but this is my first time on the deck. So anyway, I'm using this one, but and if you have any suggestion that everyone can learn, comment it down below, because I would like to know what type of oil it's good. But this one has been good to us, so on our furniture, so we will see. Alright guys, this is it, man. First coat. We will see what happened on this first coat. Alright, starting to look nice already. Alright, this is what it looks like after the second pass. It's looking nice already. I'm gonna leave the tape for now and the protection on the deck. I'm gonna let it absorb overnight, and then we will see what it's gonna look tomorrow. If it needed another coat, and then we will put another coat. But looks good already, guys. All right, so we'll see tomorrow. Yeah. All right. Good morning. Ariel is taking the tape off. We decided we'll just put 2 coats. It looks good already. We don't want it to be too thick, you know, because I know what it's like if it's too thick, because I've done it on lots of furniture here on the boat. So we're taking the tape off now, and it looks good. So hopefully you've enjoyed this short video, and then if you have any suggestion, you have any comments, and then what type of oil to use, comment it down below so everyone can actually learn. I wanna know, please. Anyway, thank you, and I'll end this video here. And as always, thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.